I want all of you to actually create 3 rows and 3 columns in your sheets. I hope that is done. Now, once you have made your chart, your table, what I want you to do is I want you to actually pick up any term from the above given terms, pick up any 9 terms from the table given above on my screen, and randomly pick up in random any 9 terms. Randomly pick up 9 terms. Nine terms on random basis and write it in the boxes for the chart you have created. I hope it is done. Give me a thumbs up once it's done. Thank you, Anju ma'am. Thank you, BB ma'am, CB ma'am, thank you. Others, I'm waiting for you to create this chart. Thank you, Ashita ma'am, Arathi ma'am. Okay, so I'm assuming most of you have done. So what we will start now is, now what I will do is, I will say a term. I will pick up any term randomly from here. And if that term is written in your box, you will actually mark it cross, like you will actually cut it if that term is already mentioned. Okay, so you will just cut that term from your chart if the term is already mentioned. Whosoever is able to mark off all the terms which are mentioned on the screen first becomes the winner, and they have to shout bingo. Okay, so I will repeat once again. I will keep on saying some terms randomly. If that term is already, if it's there on your sheet, you will just mark it cross. You will mark it off, and whosoever is able to finish all the terms first has to shout bingo. That person will be the winner, and they can buy themselves a chocolate from my end. So they can do it. So let's start with a game. So let me pick up my pen. Okay. So the first term is exothermic. Exothermic. Fossil fuels. Fossil fuels. Indicator. Indicator. Combination. Decomposition. Decomposition. Malleable. Products. Products. Double displacement. Double displacement. Redox. Redox. Displacement. Displacement. Solute. Solute. Solvent. Solvent. Neutralization. Neutralization. Endothermic. Endothermic. Oxidation. Oxidation. Reduction.
Ma'am.
BB ma'am. BB ma'am. Arathi ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am, me also.
Who's the third one? Rija.
Rija, yes.
Yeah. So we have 3 winners who have won at the same time. Congratulations. Get yourself a good chocolate now. Later after this class. Okay. So let me just erase everything so that we are not having any trouble. Yeah. Okay. So this is one way in which you can actually revise things with your children, but I would give you a better way to actually perform this activity. So let me show you. The better way would be that you actually share the definitions. So you don't say combination, you say two or more reactants combined to form a single product. And then they have to scratch their brain and they have to think, okay, it is combination. So I have to cut combination. Can be drawn into wires. And they think about, oh, ductile. A reaction where the surrounding gets colder. Oh, it's endothermic. So they have to go back, they have to think about it, and they have to mark it over there. Because we were playing for the first time, I wanted you to understand how it is done. But in a classroom setting, I would suggest the best way to revise is you say definitions and you don't say the name of the term. Let them think about the term. A very good practice which can be done in every class once you finish the chapter. So as soon as you finish the chapter, you tell them, okay, come prepared, revise the terms, and we will play bingo. And when you have to revise 3 chapters altogether, you will say, okay, revise the terms for 3 chapters and we have a bingo next week. And you just don't play one bingo, you play 2 to 3 versions of it so that all the terms get revised again and again, again and again, and all of them have a opportunity to win over there. So that's one way of engaging them, and it's very useful. Why do I like this activity? The best part, it takes least amount of time. You don't have to prepare anything. You don't have to come prepared. You just go randomly in a class and you start playing. So you can do it as an impromptu activity, and that's why it makes it very fun and engaging for me. Do you think the same, or do you have a different opinion there?